Leaperkim Veteran Patton. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton electric unicycle appears to be a powerful and versatile mode of transportation, offering a range of features that cater to both urban and off-road terrains. Its 3,000-watt motor provides impressive climbing abilities and speeds up to 50 miles per hour, while the substantial 2,220 watts battery ensures a generous range up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. The aircraft-grade aluminum chassis contribute to its durability and sturdiness, making it suitable for various terrains. The hydraulic suspension system allows riders to customize the smoothness and the comfort of their ride, and a 16-inch tire adds to its adaptability. Additionally, the inclusion of jumping pads for tricks and futuristic design made it not just a mean of transportation, but a lifestyle choice. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton electric unicycle seems designed for those who seek adventure and pushing their limits. ZUUM shoes. ZUUM shoes, the most hip way to zip around town. These electric skates are self-balancing, effortlessly gliding over surface, lightweight and portable, putting them in on as simple as pressing a button. Experience the acceleration of flying as you navigate with the soles of your feet. ZUUM shoes are not only entertaining, but also environmentally friendly. No need to worry about gas or pollutants because they are electric. Ideal for short journeys, commuting, or exploring new locations. ZUUM shoes are stylish and fully adjustable. Express yourself by choosing from various colors and stickers. For added cargo capacity, mini trailers and tankers can be attached. ZUUM shoes are the future of personal transportation. The best electric skates ever, giving you the sensation of weightlessness. Your shoes are ZUUM, the way people will get around in future. Scania S730 Minitruck. For the aspiring little trucker in your life, the Scania S730 Minitruck is the ultimate toy. The scaled-down version of one of the world's most powerful and innovative trucks, the Scania S730, is designed and constructed by an Irish company licensed by Scania. Powered by a 24-volt electric battery, a single charge allows it to operate for 4 to 5 hours, boasting the same torque as mobility scooter and reaching speeds up to 10 kilometers per hour. Featuring a lifelike dashboard, wheel, horn, lights and indicators, this mini-truck offers a realistic driving experience with complete creative control over color and sticker option. It's customizable to suit every little truck enthusiast preferences. What adds to the fun is its ability to pull tankers and compact trailers, making it a thrilling experience for young truck drivers. The Scania S730 Minitruck goes beyond mere playtime. It's a premium item designed to spark curiosity and love for trucks in every little boy or girl obsessed with these mighty vehicles. This Minitruck is truck representation of Scania S730, ensuring that it captures the heart of young truck enthusiasts. Daymak Spiritus Prototype. Introducing the Daymak Spiritus Prototype, a stylish, eco-friendly, and a robust three-wheeler that embodies futuristic vehicle design. Its impressive performance and features complement its elegant and aerodynamic style. Sure to capture attention, the Spiritus can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds, making it the fastest three-wheeler in the world. Additional features include wireless battery charging via Onda technology and a remarkable range up to 300 miles per charge. But the Spiritus is more than meets the eye. It's a smart device capable of mining cryptocurrencies and handling transactions using the Nebula suite. This makes it first automobile that can generate income for its owner at all times, even while sitting idle or charging. Beyond its practical use, the Spiritus represents hope for the future. In essence, it is the pinnacle of environmentally conscious innovation, setting a new standard for electric vehicle with its combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Car chain. An electric vehicle with two wheels and the ability to balance itself, similar to a hoverboard, is called car chain. The original hoverboard and several groundbreaking inventions were created by Shane Chen. With a roomy cabin accessible for both the front and rear, the car chain can accommodate a maximum of 5 passengers. It accelerates and steers without the use of pedals or steering wheel, utilizing two-wheel differential speed control. equipped with regenerative straw. Equipped with regenerative shocks that turn road imperfections into the energy, the car chain can recharge its powerful battery. Its aerodynamic and smooth design makes it resemble a massive hovercraft on wheels. Symbolizing hope for the future, the car chain goes beyond a mere vehicle. This concept is truly groundbreaking as it challenges the traditional idea of the movement centered around four wheels. Feels like you're soaring through the air on this incredible self-balancing marvel. There is a car named Shane. Aerovelo ETA. One of the most impressive examples of human-powered engineering is the Aerovelo's ETA, a bike, yes, but also a rocket, a lightning rod, and the embodiment of efficiency and speed fantasies. Years of hard work and creativity went into creating ETA, providing the people can achieve incredible things when they put their minds and bodies to it, earning its name from the Greek letter eta, which signifies efficiency. ETA is at the heart of Aerovelo's mission. In 2015, the ETA motorcycle achieved a staggering 144.17 kilometers per hour, marking the fourth time the record had been broken. ETA is not just a bike, it's a revolutionary vehicle that challenges conventional thinking, makes people ponder, and pushes boundaries of what we know about physiology and physics. One of Aerovelo's crowning achievements, ETA stands as the fastest bike in the world, showcasing the remarkable potential of human-powered vehicles to redefine our understanding of speed and efficiency. Turtle Rover. A device like the Turtle Rover opens up a new world of exploration. This four-wheel device can traverse various surfaces including snow and sand, while providing live footage to your mobile device. You have the option to program it, carry out tasks autonomously, or operate it remotely. Further personalization is possible by adding modules such as gripper, camera, robotic arm, or laser pointer. The Turtle Rover is more than just a plaything. It's an instrument for exploration, discovery, and learning. An ideal partner for any outdoor activity, whether you're looking to explore, survey our property, or simply have fun. Explore the world in a whole new light with Turtle Rover and let your imagination run wild. A new age of discovery has begun with the launch of Turtle Rover, which is more than just a device, it's an opportunity to unlock new possibilities. Monowheel. The engineering and balance of Monowheel make it a remarkable one-wheeled marvel. This unconventional mode of transportation involves the rider being encased in or fastened to a single rotating wheel. Thanks to its centrifugal force and gyroscopic motion, it defies gravity. Its sci-fi aesthetic and futuristic design makes it a fascinating contraption. However, attempting to ride a Monowheel is not for the faint of heart or clumsy-footed. The ability to drive, accelerate, and brake demands bravery, focus, and competence, especially when traveling at fast speeds or making abrupt curves. There's a higher likelihood of tipping, looping, or crashing, making it an imposing vehicle that demands admiration and provides excitement in return. As a historical artifact and recreational vehicle, the Monowheel is unusual to see. Despite its lack of practicality, this car has been rethought and then forgotten about countless times. Nevertheless, it has managed to captivate audiences for years, showcasing its enduring appeal and unique charm. Concept 1865. Concept 1865 is an experimental design that leveraged contemporary materials and technologies to reimagine the velocipede, the first pedal-powered vehicle. This innovative concept pays homage to the era of creativity and invention that gave rise to the bicycle. BASF, the chemical firm, collaborated with Ding 3000 Design Studio, to construct the prototype, both commemorating this historical period. The retro-styled e-bike known as Concept 1865 is more than just a nostalgic tribute. It serves as experimental showcase for 24 distinct plastic from BASF's product line, featuring Infinergy tires, bearingless all-plastic pedals, and an all-electric motor concealed in the back wheel. Concept 1865 exemplifies the revolutionary pair of modern plastics in the realm of electromobility. Beyond presenting new opportunities for product deployment with BASF, Concept 1865 encourages a re-evaluation materials. Bridging the 2 years, it beautifully connects the 20th century wooden dandy horse with the 21st century e-velocipede, demonstrating the transformative potential of materials in the ever-evolving landscape of transportation. Kwiggle Folding Bike. The Kwiggle folding bike stands out from the other folding bikes due to its unparalleled space efficiency. It takes folding bikes to a new level, making it the most compact option for storage. Urbanites, tourists, and explorers will appreciate it as the perfect travel companion, ensuring a quick and effortless journey to your destination. The Kwiggle folding bike offers a unique upright riding posture, allowing riders to feel the breeze in their hair and take in the scenery. Thanks to its simple and elegant folding mechanism, the bike can be transformed into a small form in just 10 seconds. The powertrain and frame, made of durable stainless steel, resist corrosion and wear, ensuring longevity. Symbolizing a complete way of life, the Kwiggle folding bike provides flexibility that allows you to do and see everything you want whenever you want. It embodies the idea that the bike should adapt to your life, not the way around.